Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Subscriber sent me a question about Advance Auto Parts the other day, and they were wondering how many jobs have been lost in California with Advance Auto Parts shutting down. Now, my initial reaction was, I have no idea how to find out that information. And then I thought, you know what? I'll try and do this because that'll be an interesting exercise to figure it out. Now, this is what I did to find out the information. Since California actually is a very regulated state, which a lot of you have commented on in my other videos before, I went to see what type of laws or public notices might be available for this information. And California actually has a state law or system, I guess you would call it, called WARN. And this stands for Worker Adjustment Retraining Notification. And this has to be filed with the state's Employment Development Department. And essentially, if a company has over 100 employees and you're laying people off, you have to file a WARN notice, as it's called, with the state of California. So now this information is publicly available and anyone can go find it out. I'll leave a link to that in the description below. So if anyone wants to, you can just grab that CSV file. So what I did is I grabbed that CSV file from online and I said, okay, well, I went down and was like, where are all the Advance Auto stores in the entire state that are laying people off? So I saw that it had a listing in the CSV file with everybody. And this WARN notice, I believe there were about 139 WARN notices specifically for Advance Auto Parts in California. And I then went to ChatGPT because, quite honestly, I am not very good at math, if most people know me. And I asked ChatGPT, with this file, I said, can you tell me all the employee layoffs for Golden State Supply LLC, which is the subsidiary Advance Auto Parts has in the state of California. And it spit out that there were 1,665 employees getting laid off in California for Advance Auto Parts. Now, the interesting thing actually looking at the CSV file is there's a lot of stores that actually only have maybe about like 8 or 12 employees, and I had imagined that it would have had more, but having worked in retail, other establishments, restaurant industry, things like that, as probably most of you have, I realized, yeah, this company wants to run these stores very, very lean. So some of these stores had fewer employees than I would have imagined. I actually initially thought that this number would have been closer to about 3,000 or 5,000 people, in that range. So seeing that it's only 1,665 employees, it was much lower than I thought. But I still feel bad for all those people getting laid off. And I do hope if you are somebody that was laid off by Advance Auto Parts in California, they're able to find a new job in the auto parts industry out there. I think it should be pretty easy because there's such a big automotive culture in California in general, obviously Southern California. But I thought I wanted to share that number with you guys since it was asked by a subscriber, and I just wanted to walk through how I basically came to that number. And I actually did double check this with some other sources that essentially came to the same number, and it seemed like they had also used the WARN report from the Employment Department of California. Can't quite remember the full name. But anyway, hope to catch you guys in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. That really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm, and hope to see you next time.